Hi everyone and welcome to my new video. Today we're going to look at the activity Get Ancestor in UiPath, which is basically the opposite of our Find Children activity. And if you want to learn more about Find Children, then please watch my other video to this topic. If you like the video, please also subscribe to the channel to be notified when I upload a new video. I hope you enjoy learning and happy automation. The Get Ancestor activity enables us to select a UI element relative to our selected target element in the UI hierarchy. If it's hard to follow for you, then you can watch my video on the basic of HTML selectors. So if we want to use the activity, we just need to select it from our activity panel, drag it in our sequence, and we can see that there are several properties that we can fill. So the first thing we need to do is we need to select our UI element, whatever this is. So I just select this one and I define an output variable, which in this case is ancestor. And per default, the property up levels has the value 1, meaning that we want to go one level up in the UI hierarchy. So if we check this out in UI Explorer and we select our target element here, we basically want to go one level up, meaning we want to select this element. If you go 2 levels up, you would select this element. So now, just for the sake of testing, I'm going to get an attribute from our parent element here. I just want to get the class and save it to our ancestor class here, for example, and then give the output in a message box, ancestor class, ancestor class, and our target element here is actually the ancestor. Now if you run it, we can see that we get the value orange HRM to-do list item. And if we double check in UI Explorer, you can see that this is the class of our parent element, one level from our target element. And of course I could have also just highlighted it actually, but now when we change this here and we go for 4 levels up, for example, then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 levels up in the hierarchy, and we're going to get this UI element. So let's add the highlight activity as well. Highlight our ancestor. And it's 4, and when I run it, whoa. Actually, when I run it again and focus my window, you can see that it will select or first highlight the element which is 4 levels up from our target element, and we're also going to get the class of this element, which is our XD sheet, whatever. And if we check this here, you can see this is in fact the class. Yeah. I hope you learned something, and see you next time.